Do you know that million of years ago, long before humans, long before cities, turtles already roamed the earth. They are the ancient survivors, carrying the memory of time in their shells. What makes turtle so extraordinary in their journey? Turtles can travel thousands of miles across the ocean. And yet, they always find their way back to the very beach where they were born. Are guided not by the maps, not by the stars, but by the magnetic field of Earth. Natural compass built within them. Here, inside the aquarium of Boston, I have witnessed it. The movement of the turtle are so slow, and it teaches us that do not rush every time. Turtles are also the caretaker of the ocean. The ocean floor healthy. Watch this turtle. We are invited to slow down, breathe, calm, compose.